Hello guys, welcome to everyone. Today project is Digital Steganography in Java. Digital steganography overcomes this factor and provides a solution for transmitting secret information without affecting unintended users. Steganography uses multimedia data as a covering medium, covering secret information. By employing steganography, data, secret information, can be hidden within other data, multimedia data, in this case, an image, allowing the message to be sent anywhere easily without arousing suspicion from others. Requirement: Front end, Java JDK 17 Windows x64 bin. OS, Windows or Linux. Making steganography medium. Ing already creating two buttons. There are Compose button and Break button. Once clicking Compose button, then show this page. Number 1. Enter the security code. Number 2. Enter the secret information. Number 3. Load the multimedia data. Here it is an image. Number 4. Clicking Hide button. Then show pop-up security code. Number 5. Clicking Home button. Extracting secret information from steganography medium. Once click Break button from home page, then show this page. Number 1. Enter security code. Number 2. Upload same image. Number 3. Click Break button, then show pop-up on secret information. Number 4. Click home page. Finally processes has been completed. Final output.